Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will continue with our first chapter, that is basic skills and landforms. This is part 4 of the chapter. Let's get started now. Our first heading for today is the formation of the topography. The first thing is landforms formed by earth movements, and here number A is fold mountains. It states that fold mountains are found in many parts of the world, and there were many old ranges present, but later on they disappeared. Those ranges which are recently found are called young fold mountains, and their direction is known with the help of the earth's movement and the pressure from both sides, that is left and right. It caused the lands to squeeze and contract. Number B is block mountains and rift valleys. Block mountains is basically a fault which takes place while Earth's movement, and it caused the two sides to sink down, which later on creates the block mountain. But if we talk about the rift valley, it is completely the opposite of the block mountain that is shown in the picture, that is figure 1.26. In this, the center land sinks down instead of the land that is present on the both sides. Next heading is land formed by volcanic activity. A is volcanoes. It states that magma is a hot molten rock which is usually underneath the earth's surface but comes to the surface if any fault takes place, and then is known as lava. First stage is known as formation of volcanoes, which gets bigger day by day, and its layers are known as lava flow. Soil that is formed by it is known as java and is known to be the most fertile soil, and it is helpful in growing crops, whereas while the hard lava is not capable of growing any crop, as it is shown here that this orangish part is the magma, that is the molten rock which is underneath the earth, and this slim line it is coming out from is known as vent, and in the end it becomes the lava. It is known as the lava when it erupts. Here in the first picture that is written a volcano in Turkey, it is showing that the soil was very fertile, that is why it was easy for growing crops and it was helpful, that is why the surrounding is very greenish. But in the second picture that it's written a volcano on an island in the Atlantic Ocean, there the soil was not fertile, that is why no crops were able to be grown there. B, lava plateau. It states that the Deccan a lava plateau, it states that if a lava becomes active, it is capable of surrounding about 100 km of the earth's surface, and if it spreads out it will form a flat area known as lava plateau. It's all for today. We'll continue with the topic of the earth's plates in the next part, inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.